In this video, we're going to go through the purchase and installation process of Breakdance, your new favorite page builder. And so the process won't take very long at all, but I'm just going to show you how to actually go through that process, how to sign in, find the files that you need, and install them on a fresh installation of WordPress. Obviously, if you'd like to use the link in the description below to navigate to Breakdance for your purchase, it costs you nothing further, but it does help me continue to do this, which is very lovely. Right, okay, so let's pop along to the Breakdance site via a particular link that I may have just mentioned. Now, obviously, at this point in time, there's a January sale on, and the really good thing about this is that you get the Breakdance at a fantastic price. So you can get Breakdance Pro or the AI bundle. I've got both just for $249. Now for UK, like me, that's going to swing very much in your favor when it converts to pounds. So you are locking in Breakdance Pro and the AI bundle for $249. I would recommend that even if you don't have an AI account at this point that you're paying for to work with that, then it's still worth doing, because you're going to lock in that functionality for when you want to use it. So that's what I would suggest. Just take a look at, we've got claim your discount here, which is pretty awesome. And what's really important here is that we still have the unlimited websites available. So if you're looking to buy Breakdance, unlike something like Elementor, they don't really have their unlimited license anymore. But if you lock in for Breakdance and you get unlimited websites for a locked-in price of $199. Obviously, again, that goes in our favor in the UK. Then you're set there. You know, you can have really easy client pricing. So you get everything you're going to need to. You're going to get everything you need on unlimited websites, which is really fantastic. Okay, so once you've made your decision, we've got the January sale price here. We're going to get started. Excellent. Now we're going to go with a credit card, and obviously I'm not going to give you all of my name and everything, so I'll blank this bit out a little bit, but it's just a simple checkout process. Okay, once you've added your details, simply click purchase. Okay, so then you are all absolutely set. You can have your license key here, which I've obviously blurred out, and then you can mosey on to next. Now, straight away, you can download the plugin. So if I just click that, it would download to my computer. But just notice that there are all of these really good links and pieces of information here. So you can click on these and you've got videos that are going to help you through. It's all really fantastic information. Again, that's another one of the great things about Breakdance. The documentation is really fantastic. So is the support if you ever email in. So if you click this, it's going to download to your device, which is really great. To my experience, this is a bit of a dead end unless you click cancel. So now we're back at the front of the site, and if we go into Portal, you'll see that we have a nice little client area, and it's a pretty typical one. Obviously, you can go along to downloads and actually obtain the files again, which is pretty cool. Now you're going to see historical versions, which is pretty cool. You can also play around with the beta ones here. This is the one that's just currently downloaded. It's the full version. If you pop along here, you're going to get your license key, which you do need when you're going to install onto a site. So I have downloaded this. I've downloaded this already to my device, and we're going to now pop to a fresh installation. Okay, so here I am at a fresh install of WordPress. If I pop along to installed plugins, you see that we'll have the usual ones that we have to remove. I wish they would sort that out. And pop along to upload plugins, and I will just drag the file in, which I've downloaded from my Breakdance client area, and install now. And perfect, there we go. We are now breakdancers, hopefully doing a better job than that last year at the Olympics. So we're going to activate the plugin, and this is where you can just spend some time really getting to know Breakdance. There are lots of things for you to explore. First of all, I would recommend that you disable the theme, go with it. It seems a bit counterintuitive, like, don't I need a theme? No, you don't need a theme. You then need to pop in your actual license key. So I'm going to run off and get mine. And the place you need to go is into your client portal, and you'll see license keys right there. If you purchase the AI bundle, you're also going to see that here. So that's where you get that. And you simply have to copy that, go back to your site, paste it in, and finish setup. So you're then going to be taken to a very colorful welcome screen filled with videos and documentation and really helpful links. I recommend you jump into this Facebook group, and you will find that Breakdance just has a ton of videos all ready for you to view. Now, newbie guide, complete website in 15 minutes. I recommend that you watch that. Just take that 15 minutes and go through it. It's essentially going to, encourage you to have a look at the design library. So you could live preview, but actually import these sites. It gives you the pages, all of the different elements. That being said, I think it's best to start building from the ground up. And you can also use the design library just to bring in sections from these different sites, and then you're able to pull them apart and learn from that. But I'll cover that in other videos. But straight out of the gate, watch that video, and it would encourage you to import one of these. I think it's best to go fresh and take your own learning journey. But yeah, there you go. So that is how to purchase and install Breakdance. As you can see, it's a really simple process, and before you know it, you have a website up and running. There just really aren't limitations, and the community support for Breakdance is huge, and I hope that you consider this channel to be part of that. Okay, so let me know how you get on. If you're coming from Elementor, I'd love to know your initial reactions to using Breakdance. If you're coming from any other system, I'd really love to know that as well. So drop it into the comments. Okay, if you've enjoyed this, please like, subscribe. If you are thinking about getting Breakdance, please do consider using the link in the description below. It costs you nothing further, but I'd really appreciate it. And if you'd like any other further or specific tutorials, please drop those in the comments, and that will guide the content of this channel. Okay, so I'll catch you hopefully in the next video. Bye-bye.